Classic about to blow up finally again? And what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with Terra Luna Classic price prediction as Lunc jumps 9%. And is it a sign of growing interest? The Terra Luna Classic price has bounced by almost 10% in the past 24 hours, rising to 0.30's $127 as the wider market gains by a more modest 4% today. Despite this gain, Lunc price has bounced by 6% in the past week, and with the coin down by 23% in the past year. This means that Lunc has displayed some pretty disappointing performance in recent months, especially in contrast to most other major tokens. However, its jump today could be a sign of returning interest, with the coin's undervalued status potentially making it attractive to traders. It's arguable that Lunc has reached a point where it now has to rally, given how much the market has oversold it in recent weeks. Its RSI had been descending towards 40 prior to today's rally, leaving it in a position where it could see a buy-the-dip bounce. Meanwhile, its 30-day average has been flat for several days now, and while some may argue it's due to fall towards or below the 200-day average, it's also possible that its stagnation in recent weeks is a prelude to a rally. It really could go either way as far as Lunc is concerned, given its disappointing performance in the past year or so. It's also concerning that its price has more or less consistently declined since its early December rally, whereas most major tokens have seen recurring rallies in the past month. Such a decline signals a loss of interest from traders, with the coin's trading volume currently at around $160 million, compared to over $500 million in early December. As such, it's fair to say that Lunc is struggling to capture the market's attention right now, with the Terra Luna Classic community doing little in recent weeks to inspire confidence. For example, Christmas Day saw the community rejecting a proposal to introduce a 1.5% burn tax rate, with the current rate standing at only 0.5%. This resulted in yet another dip for Lunc, with the market seemingly frustrated that its community isn't doing enough to restrict its supply. As such, the Terra Luna Classic price may struggle to recover, save for a strong market-wide rally, which could happen when the SEC approves Bitcoin ETFs. But it's happened today. If this rally does materialize, Lunc could reach 0.30's $20 in the next few months. Now let's look back at the Lunc price that AI sets on January 31st. Harnessing data analysis and market indicators, these algorithms anticipate a jump in Lunc's value, pushing it to 0.30's $142 by January 31st. However, Lunc is expected to reach its peak price for the next 30 days on January 21st, with Coin Codex predicting 0.30's $147. However, this isn't the end of the road for Lunc. Coin Codex sets the price range for 2024 between 0.30's $106 and 0.30's $227. Reaching the upper target will represent about an 80% surge from its current price. This optimism echoes crypto analyst Javon Marx's New Year post. In his analysis, Marx highlighted continuing bullish signals on lower timeframes, which he suggested signaled the early stages of a massive market-shaking move. His optimism was based on the recent breakout for Lunc, which saw the token climb over 1,008% from its pre-breakout levels. Based on this momentum, the analyst envisions a potential rally towards 0.20's $155 and beyond, representing a staggering 10x increase from current prices. Because the Lunc ecosystem's recent proposal to burn 8 million USTC did not prompt a major surge, some may scoff at such a bold prediction. However, several factors can contribute to a resurgence. As crypto market analyst Derek pointed out on January 5th, the MACD indicators DF and DEA lines are undergoing compression, possibly indicating an internal recalibration that aligns with current market conditions. The broader cryptocurrency market is also gradually recovering, providing a favorable backdrop for individual coins like Lunc. Ongoing token burning initiatives can also help reduce Lunc's supply, potentially increasing its value. These combined factors paint a promising picture for Lunc in the coming weeks and months. While short-term price fluctuations are inevitable, the underlying trends suggest a sustained upward trajectory fueled by AI predictions, analyst insights, and persistent community support. There's also the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, which could send Lunc to astronomical heights. Lunc is on the brink of a massive move, and investors have to keep their eyes on it. And lastly, let's take a look at the Lunc price analysis. The trading activity of Lunc on its daily chart revealed a significant dominance by the bulls, especially evident in the observed price movements. Initially, the market witnessed a consolidation phase where the price oscillated between $0.4061 and $0.4069. After the first week of November, a notable upward momentum emerged, propelling the price to test the higher resistance at $0.4094. However, this surge was short-lived, resulting in a rejection at this level, which subsequently led to a minor pullback. The price eventually retracted to $0.4069, a level that the bulls effectively utilized as a foundation for a renewed upward push. This bullish sentiment was further bolstered by Binance's announcement of launching a new USTC perpetual contract, adding fuel to the upward trajectory. In early December, a robust buying momentum was apparent as Lunc reached a peak resistance at $0.30's $258. Nevertheless, this level also marked a point of rejection, causing a slight decline to a support level of $0.30's $178. At the time of this analysis, Lunc was trading at $0.30's $127, with bulls actively attempting to counter any downward pressure. The moving average convergence divergence further corroborated the bullish sentiment in the market. The MACD line consistently stayed above the signal line for most of the analyzed timeframe, only dipping below following the first price rejection. As the bulls regained strength, the MACD line ascended once again, suggesting a revival in bullish momentum. The histogram mostly displayed positive values, aligning with the bullish market sentiment, and only briefly shifted to negative following the initial rejection, quickly reverting to positive as the price climbed. As the analysis concluded, the histogram stood at 0.609, with the signal line at 0.30's $30 and the MACD line at 0.30's $31. So will Lunc reach $1? The Luna Classic community has been actively involved in several initiatives aimed at increasing the value of Lunc, targeting a goal above the $1 mark. One notable effort is a recent proposal designed to re-enable the market module. This strategic move is expected to assist USTC in regaining its dollar parity, which could positively influence Lunc's value. In parallel, Daniel Hong, a former developer for Terra, has introduced a new stablecoin named Mint Cash, which is backed by Bitcoin. To promote this new cryptocurrency, the team has planned an airdrop for holders of Lunc and USTC. This announcement has spurred increased trading activity around Lunc, contributing to a rise in its value. On the technical front, the Terra Luna Classic network marked a significant milestone on December 8, 2023, with the successful implementation of version 2.3.2. This update was executed at block 157511600 and represents a key step in the network's ongoing development. So what do you think besides ETF approves are affecting the price of Lunc today? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.